Capture that for Paxi. But we are here on SDB. Okay, guys. So welcome, welcome, welcome. As you come in, say hi. Let's know that you are here. Okay, so. Let's go see what's happening to Paxi so that we'll know what has become of Paxi. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's see what again. Okay, let me just click on that. See Paxi. See Paxi. It's now at 3 cents. I told you, people. I told you that that's what's going to happen. Let me get back to 15. I told you, people. That was the best time to leave when it was at 4544. See it. It's now. How much is it now? 3 cents. 36036. Anyways, that's what happens when you are greedy. If you're not out yet, sorry. If you're not out yet, sorry. Okay, so Paxi went live. I didn't capture the very beginning, and that's why I want to do this one of SDB from the very, very beginning. Okay, but now this is what has happened to Paxi. Now let's go see what's going on SDB so that we don't miss that one out. That one we can't afford to miss it. We currently we're at 1 minute 19, 1 minute 16. So now, what are the lessons to learn? What are the lessons to learn from, the Paxi event? I'll talk about a few lessons. Now, when it comes to doing this new listing trade, trust me, you have to be very, very conservative. That's the word I was looking for, conservative. Let me go to my 1 minute because I want to see the 1 minute. The 1 minute, right? You have to be very, very conservative. Don't try to get all that you can. You can't get everything. Get a bit and get out. Get a bit and get out. You can come back in once you've escaped because this is more of pump and dump. We've got 30 seconds to go. I'm telling you, this is more of pump and dumps. You see, these things are more of pump and dumps. So we're going to see this live. We're going to see the SDB live. When nobody's here, you'll see it. You definitely see the replay. Okay, now 15 seconds to go. Oh my God. Now we're going to watch this live. What's going to happen at the beginning, guys? Be conservative. Don't try to eat more than you can chew. Yeah, so we have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1. Let's see. Good. Look at it. Look at it. It's waiting. It's trying to blow. You see, can you see what happened? It's listed at 1 cent. At 1 cent. At 1 cent. And now is that already? Oh my God! It said that 1,250. Oh, 001 cent. Oh my God! This is the best time to enter, people. This is the best time. It's currently 9 cents. It's going down. It's going down. Look, just wait for it to get to the bottom a little bit. You see it now. This is 10 cents. This is 9 cents. Zero. Oh my God! This is less than 1 cent. That's it. 9 cents. So it is 009. 009. Right? Is it going to go beyond this? We don't know. We don't know. We don't know, people. We don't know. See, it's going down. It's at 0094. Guy, just watch this. Watch what's going to happen. You need to watch and learn. So for the next one, you know what exactly to do. See what happened now. It came out. It's at 00125. 00125. And now it shot up high to 1 cent. Oh my God. Now it's at 11. Now it's at 11. Now it's at 11. 009. 009 it is now. Oh my God. Is it going to go up further? We don't know. This is 1 minute time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. It's still here. It's still here. This is what we call the new listing arbitrage, okay? You want to be sure that you don't waste your time. It's at 009. It's going down a little bit. It's going down a little bit. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. The good things, just hold on a bit. Hold on a bit. Let it go down a little bit more before you decide to enter, my people. Before you decide to enter, it's important to just allow it, see where it's going to go. See where it's going to go. See the direction. See the direction, okay? So this is currently trying to find its feet. It's at 8.8. Oh my God. Is it going to go beyond that? We don't know. Is it going to fall 4? Is it going to fall lower? It's currently at 8. It's currently at 8. I think we can hold on a bit before you enter. You can see it now. Now, I don't really do this all the time. I just wanted to capture it so you can see it live and direct and make a decision for yourself whether you want to be part of new listing arbitrage or not. Right? See, it's still falling, people. It's still falling. It's still falling, right? So the best thing is just to let's see where it's going to fall to and then stabilize and then you now begin to go up. Because what we want to see is a point where it falls to the point where it now begins to go up. Because at this point, people are saying, oh, yeah, see, it's at 6.9. It's at 6.9. It's definitely going to get to, probably it's going to get to 0.3. When it does get there, let's see whether we can take a position. I'm not taking a position because my trade is locked in. So I would have tried to, do that. Now, if you came in at the very beginning at 1 cent, right, you would definitely be waiting. Your money has already depreciated already. So it's always best to be on the lookout that it gets to a point where it will settle in a little bit. When it settles in a little bit, then you can decide to take that. So I'm just covering what happens during this new listings live streams, okay? So I just want you can see, I told you it's going to probably get to 0.3. Let's see. We're going to be here to check what's going to happen in a few moments. It's at 0.005, people. We want to see where it will get to before it now begins to go up. I think for Paxi, it was a better outing. It's at 4.2. It's at 4.2042. This will get to 0.003. I tell you, it's definitely going to get to 0.003. So I want to see whether it will get to a point and start going up. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let me see what is happening in the 1 minute. In the 1 minute time frame, oh, it's actually dumping, people. It's dumping. Let's see whether it's actually going to do anything better than this. I don't know, people. Look at it. Look at it. You see, a lot of people, they are always waiting to do this new listings arbitrage. It's not my thing, people. It's not my thing. I wouldn't suggest it. But if you have to, watch the way this pans out for you to know what to expect if you have to, right? If you have to, I'm trying to say, okay, now it's looking like it's climbing up a bit. So I think, like I told you, it's going to get to 3. So maybe when it gets to 3.0, it might start pumping up. I don't know. That's what we are watching to see, people. It's turning green. It's turning green because I'm checking on the one. This is the 1 minute time frame, people. This is the 1 minute time frame. I think we're currently on the 3rd minute right now. No, we're not on the 3rd. We're on the 5th minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on the 5th minute. It's still going down, people. It's still going down. Let's see where it's going to stop and then start rising. And that's the point to enter. Yeah, that's where I believe. But this is not financial advice, people. I'm just capturing this for entertainment purposes, please, so that you don't come and tell me, oh, she told me to put my money into it. No, I'm not telling you to put your money into it. I'm just showing you what is happening. Then you make your decision yourself. I've made my decisions, right? So, and I'm sure, oh yeah, I think at this point, so it's at 4.2. Let's see, let me take a screenshot of this. So it's at 4.2. Let me see whether, okay, while this is happening, let's go check what is going on in Paxi, because I want to see what's going on in Paxi. Let's go see what's going on in Paxi. Let us see what is going on in Paxi. Let me check Paxi. Okay, Paxi. Oh, Paxi is at 2.5. I told you, people. I told you exactly what I said. This is what the 1 minute. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Sorry, people. It's really done. It's cooked. It is cooked. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame and show you it's cooked. It's actually cooked right now. It's totally cooked. This kind of thing. People that want to make money have made money and they have left the show. People that want to make money have made money and left the show. For those of you that are still there, okay, yes. You like what you say? What you do? I even see what you just said now. Oh, this is so painful. I just saw someone say, "Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for." This is really risky, people. It's risky business, right? If you're doing this, it's risky business. You're ready to go in and get out. When it fell to that 3 cents, like I told you, get in and then get out at that 4.4. Bam, you would have made your money and gone. So let's go back to our SDB and see what's going on in SDB. All right, so I'm just going to search for SDB. SDB is still good. SDB is still pumping. SDB is saying hi to you. Let's go see what's happening, whether we can take SDB. Okay, I'm not planning to take it anyway. But this is the 1 minute time frame. Okay. You can see now, it looks like a safe. Oh, it's now at 3.8. For those, if someone entered at 3.9, it actually went up. See, It went up to what? Where did it go up to? It went up to 4. Yeah. So now it's looking like one can enter this one. It's gotten to a stable point where it looks like it wants to go up. So probably at this point, one may consider, looking at it, right? So it's at 3.8 now. So you can see all the way it was listed at, I think it rose up to 1 cent, but it was listed at how much? 0.012. In fact, it was listed at 0.0125. And now the people that created the coin have already made money anyway. Let's see the liquidity. It's at 50,000, like almost 51,000 USDT in volume. So it looks like it's gotten to a stable point now. It's gotten to a stable point, people. But would I suggest you go into this one? No, I wouldn't suggest. Why? Because I'm seeing that Paxi still had a better outcome. I don't know how to put it. Paxi had a better outcome. Yeah, Paxi had a better outcome, but I'm not sure. At this point, it's trying its best to go up. I can see it's going up a little bit. You can look at it. It's going up bit by bit, but it's with little increments, very little increments. But this is the stable. If one wants to go in here, this is the most stable place to go in, and then wait for it to rise up to maybe like about 4 or 5 and get out. You understand? But the probability of this rising is very low. You can see it has started going down again. This is 3.6. Now, while this is going on, let's go check out what is happening to BTC, because that could also affect the way coins are listed. Let's see what is going on with BTC. BTC has gone down more. 96. Okay, this is 1 minute. I don't want 1 minute. I want the 1 hour time frame. Oh, I told you guys. See, I was hoping that I could see the what's it called now? The SAR under it. It's not coming as I speak. It's not coming. I don't know. Maybe it'll come later. Right now, it is not coming. I don't know the reason why. It still looks like BTC is going to go down more. Yeah. And that means our trade that we currently are on. Oh, what's happening? Is at 3.6. So SDB is cooked. Let's leave that. While we're looking at that, let's go to our normal trade. It looks like the trade too. It's not exactly looking up. It's not looking up. It's on the red. Let's just pray for it. Let's hope it does get better. But at this point, we are somewhere in between. So let's go back and see. Let's do our analysis between the two newly listed coins. We will see which one performed better. So let's go first of all to Paxi. I want to show you the outcome of Paxi. Paxi now is at 3.03 at 3 cents. And that means that, if we take a good look at the performance of Paxi, I want to see which one I could actually have taken between the two if I actually had money to take it here. Don't forget, my money is inside a trade right now, so I don't have that latitude on Maxi to do that, right? And I'm not planning to transfer any money to do that, okay? So you can see here, let me go to the one, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So for Paxi, it came out, it was listed at, what was it? What was its listing price? 2 cents. It rose up all the way to 13 cents. And when it rose up, the people that knew about it sold out, right? And then it went all the way down to 3. And I said, okay, that was the best time to come in, because of course I didn't capture the very beginning of this one, right? But I saw that it was going up. It was going up steadily up to like about 5.4. And after it went up to 5.4, that 0.54, it now started crumbling. So this has had a better performance, in my own opinion. Let me know your own opinion. Let me know what you think about it between Paxi and SDB. Which one you think had a better, outcome. So let's go check. Let's check. Now, let me go out of there so I can check it properly. Let's go to SDB. SDB is currently at 2.9. Oh my God, this is not working. This is cooked. This one is more cooked. It's more cooked, people. It's more cooked. Okay, we're still waiting for our trade, but this is more cooked, guys. It's more cooked. I mean, if I were to choose one out of the two, I would have preferred to go in for Paxi. This one, you'll see it when I come back for my later, capture of what's going on with the trade. I'll show you this too, and I'll tell you that this one was the no. This one I wouldn't even bother it, because look at the outing. Look at it. It's not even good. It's not even good. So I wouldn't even choose this. I would not choose this, right? So for me, between SDB and Paxi outperformed this as much as possible. This is really going down. It's going to keep on going down. Let me show you the 1 minute time frame. Let's see the 1 minute time frame. You can even see it already. Look at it. The SAR is right on top, right on top, right on top. For Paxi, let's go and see. If it's already having, the SAR on top, it's already telling us what's going to be the outcome. So let me check what is going on in Paxi, whether we have that same thing going on. So you will see it right now. For 1 minute, it's currently right now, it has the blues going up. So you can see between Paxi and SDB, Paxi still did better. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's the live show. Let me see, is there anyone that is close by to show you a third? But if not, no, it's not close. I'm not interested. So you can always come back to Mexi, come back to this new, and check anyone that you intend to be part of, right? And then set an alarm for yourself. Come here, and then while it's just launching, make sure that you take a position quickly, but get out as soon as it goes up. Now, I prefer Binance's new listing launch, and maybe in another video, I'm going to show you how. Yeah, hi, how you doing? How you doing? Thanks so much, home. Welcome. Can you just repeat your question again? Because I can see question. Are you asking what we're doing here? This is actually a live showcase of what I call new listings launch. New listings launch. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you, home. Thank you so much. I'm just seeing you. I'm seeing your remark or something like that. So this is the new section, but I don't really do new listing arbitrage. No, it's not my thing. I prefer to work with gainers, like I worked with gainers earlier, and I explained to you why I prefer to use gainers. Okay, so I don't even use losers. I don't really do new listings. I only focus on gainers. Okay, and sometimes the gainers might go wrong, right? Might go wrong, might not do well. It's fine. That's what it's all about. It's trading. Some may go, some may do well, some may not do well. Okay, so that's going to be it for our new listings. But before we go, I'm going to check on my trade finally to see what is going on, to see whether we are appreciating or depreciating. Okay, currently we are depreciating. It's a painful thing to say, but that's the 1 minute. But let me go back to my 1 hour time frame. It's still on the downward trend. It's still on the downward trend. And I'm sorry to say this might likely happen for a while. So I'll come back when I have some good news for you. I'm not going to bore you with all this long things. No, I'm just here to show you what exactly I'm doing and how you can also avoid any mistakes I've made, and what you should look out for when you're trading, and what you shouldn't allow to happen to you. I hope you've learned something from this live show of this, Paxi, SDB, new listings trade. Let me know what you think about it. Share with me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.